Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lamely Garden. I'm Gleesy, and today y'all we are at my local nursery. This is one of my favorite nurseries that I go to. They always have like fresh stuff, new stuff coming in. They have any and everything that you can imagine. Also, Layla likes to come here because they have a cat. We do not have any pets, but Layla is obsessed with cats, and she loves coming to the nursery just so that she can see the cat. Like, that's the first thing she does. She like searches the nursery for the cat. As soon as the ladies that work here see her, they point out where the cat is. So she's not with me today, but I really wanted to see if I could get some like broccoli and cauliflower transplants. I do have some starts at home, but they won't be ready to go outside for a while. So this would kind of be like a succession planting. So the ones that I have at home, I would get those later. The ones that hopefully I can get from the nursery, I will have now. But let's go see what they have on their Facebook page. They posted that they had some spring starts coming in every day. So I just wanted to come and check out and see what they have. As you can see, it is raining, y'all. On my day off, it is raining. Why? But that just means that we can do some stuff inside. I might try to put the greenhouse up, and then I can go in the greenhouse and do some stuff as well. But let's go see what they have. Let's see. So it looks like we have some strawberries, which is kind of cool. I mean, but these are everbearing, Alexandria. I've never had those before, but I'm willing to give them a try. And then over here, they have their cool season veggies. So $5.99 each, or you can get a flat for $31.99. Some beautiful butter crunch lettuce. Oh, I grew this last year. It was so pretty. I really want some pak choy. I think I found it. All right, so we got some broccoli here, and we got some collards. I'll do that. We got some cabbage. I can do that. And some white Russian kale. Back here, we have some black magic kale, some Chinese cabbage. Oh, that look pretty. We have some cauliflower back there. So this is exactly what I wanted. So I'm pretty happy right now. Some celery. I've never grown celery. Ooh, they have some Brussels, but I am not, while I like Brussels sprouts, I'm just not sold on them, y'all. I've never been successful growing them, but who knows, maybe this year could be the year. What's down here? Oh, romaine lettuce. So I won't buy lettuce because I feel like lettuce is pretty fast growing. So for me, it doesn't make sense to buy lettuce transplants because, I mean, your lettuce will probably look like this in 2 weeks or so. So I don't plan on doing that, but I am gonna get some of these collards. Oh, this is broccoli. Oh, and they look like small heads. Let's see. Deep variety produces high quality heads, produces shot shoots long into the season for continual harvest. Yeah, like this almost looks like broccolini. So I know I'm gonna get some of this. And oh, let's see what this one looks like. So this is more of a heading broccoli. So I might get one of those as too, and then I definitely want some collards. These are Georgia collards. I've never had these collards. Top bunch collards. But I'm willing to give them a go. And then, like I said, I want the cabbage. These ones would be ready in 45 to 50 days. Okay. And yeah. So, I mean, I think this would be pretty successful because the things that I wanted are the things that I'm going to be able to get today. So I'm going to go and get a container or holder so that I can put all the starts that I want in, and I'll be back. Y'all see this? I was not supposed to come over to this side. Oh my gosh, y'all, these are the potatoes that I wanted to grow. Because I thought they were so pretty. I'm getting these. I'm getting these. Yes, I am. See, that's why I cannot be left to go to the nursery by myself. But look at these dahlias. This is what caught my eye. They are stunning. Like, look at this one. Oh my goodness. They are huge and beautiful. Striped, what is it? Striped Vulcan. I have to come back and get those. Those are not in the budget today. But man, I want those. And I can see them with like this. Oh, look at this little girl. Focus. Look at that. That's how I want my garden to be. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Look at these purple ones. Mom's special. All right, let me get out of here. Let me go back and get what I came here. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Y'all. This is the hard part with I have a lot of gladiolas that come back every year, but y'all, I think I need this. I don't want it, I need it. I have to have it. Let me get out of here. Okay. So I got my little box, or my little bin, whatever you want to call it. And I got my potatoes because I saw there's a channel that I love. Her name is Garden Answer. And she has like the most crazy garden that I've ever seen. Like, I love it. And she had those, and I really wanted to grow them after I saw her. So I'm excited about that. All right, let's see. So one thing when I go to buy transplants, I always like to see if it's truly just one transplant in each, these suck. If it's just one transplant in each of the boxes or the cells, trays. Because sometimes you'll see that it's like more than one in each. But it seems like that's not the case here. So I'll take this. I want some collards. I don't understand how these collards aren't watered here. Like, they dry as I don't know what, and it's raining outside. So I'm gonna get these ones back here. Because these ones are kind of like in the rain. So let's see. I always like to make sure like they look good and healthy. Even though these are drier, these look a little bit better to me. Okay. And then I want some cabbage. Those look pretty good. Okay, so I guess that was a pretty successful trip to the nursery. I wish they had the strawberries that they had. I decided not to get after reading the tag on it. It said that the fruit produces very small strawberries, and I really want some big ones. So any variety of strawberries that I grow this year or that I buy would definitely have to be that of a bigger variety. Another one of the YouTube channels that I watch, he had some, and I wrote down the variety. I just need to go and look back in my notes and find it. So I will do that. I should have got some leaf grow. But yeah, so I ended up getting the broccoli. I got cabbage, and I got those I think it's huckleberry potatoes, the seed potatoes. I really wanted to grow those. Like, I really wanted to grow those. And then I got something else. I don't know how my mind blinked out that fast. Oh, the collard greens. Yeah, so my plan is to start those in one of the small raised beds when you first come into my garden. I'm a little nervous to put stuff up already because my husband hasn't had a chance to fence off the garden yet. So, you know, it's free reign out there. The deer can do whatever they want. The deer and I are not friends. Like, they're very rude. So I might have to cover them. I don't know why I'm yawning so much, y'all. But this stuff really needs to be covered anyway because the bugs like these too. My issue with slugs last year. So I'm probably going to put something for slugs down right away, like as soon as I plant them, because I don't feel like dealing with the slugs this year. I don't know. I just get tired of dealing with the pests. And I know some people are just like, oh, they need to eat too, not my food. They don't need to eat my food. So yeah, so I'm gonna go home, and like I said, because it's raining, most of the stuff that I can do is inside, but I do know that it's supposed to stop raining like midday today. So I will save this stuff for outside until I get out there. But I want to get some onion seeds planted. I want to start some more collard seeds. And this is, like I said, I use transplants in this way to kind of help with succession planting, especially like your broccoli, because like for me, once I take the big head of broccoli, I really don't get much from it again. And broccoli takes up way too much space to not have it be as productive. So usually once I harvest my main head of broccoli, I'll leave it in for a little while longer, but then I pull it. So it would be nice to have something to go into those places afterwards. So if you guys buy transplants, do you like to buy them at the big box stores, or would you rather go to like your local nursery? I know for me, the local nursery has much better prices than what they would have at like the big box stores. But I do sometimes feel like my local nursery is a little bit more limited on their supply. So like literally I have to go to the nursery every single day because they get shipments in every day, and like it changes, versus like the big box stores, you know, like they get huge shipments and they have a ton of space to store things. It might not be stored in the best quality. But yeah, I have a few days off, so I don't mind going to spend some time at the nursery. Why not? I probably should be working there part-time or something. Maybe I can get a discount. Anyway, all right, y'all, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't, join the Lamely. Subscribe, like the video, share it, whatever you want to do. I appreciate you guys being part of the Lamely. Like, it goes a long way. I don't take this for granted of being able to share my garden with the world. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. All you got to do is put some seeds in the ground. Bye, guys.